here we go, guys. Oh, we are upside down, and we're still swinging, and we're spinning. Oh. Oh, now we are fully, oh man. I don't know if I can hold in my launch. Oh, there we go. We did a flip. Whee! Oh, we are upside down. Oh, the blood is rushing to my head. Woo! Oh, I love it. Oh, we are hanging upside down. Oh, man. Oh, we are going upside down. The other direction. Whee! Oh, God. Post in the comments below if you would ride something like this or not. I love it, and I ride it every chance I get, but this is not for, oh, hello, Giant Fan. How's it going? Bye, Giant Fan. Whee! Oh, man. This is such a kick-ass ride.